good, and in this video I'm going to show you my hostels. Actually, here are two hostels in my university for international students. One is this one in which I'm staying, and one is another one. But the difference is this, that in that hostel 3 students are staying in one room, but in this one 2 students are staying in one. So yeah, I think this is the only difference in both. But all the facilities that I'm going to show you in this one going to be the same in that one. But I can't show you that hostel because nowadays that hostel is closed, because majority of students have gone to their countries, to their homes because of COVID. So they closed that hostel, and the students who didn't go, they just shift in this one. So yeah, this is my hostel. Okay, so this is our entry gate, and when we go inside, then here is firstly our reception, as you can see. Okay, and when you're going inside, you have to scan your card, then you can go. Oh, okay, and same when you need to go outside. And as you can see that here are cameras everywhere. See, there is like, so you don't need to worry like about security and stuff like this. And here is I, who is always here, and here is cameras at every floor, so she can see that what is happening at every floor. And see, this is me. Okay, here they put some couch for us, and here's table tennis where we can come whenever we want to play some indoor games. And when we go further, firstly here is our activity room. यहाँ पे जब भी हम लोगों ने कोई हमारा फंक्शन होता है, then we used to came here and used to do practice here anytime. Then here is our study room. Here we can came anytime. It's a little bit messy, but yeah, it's okay. And time for study in the night, in the day, anytime. And as you can see that here is AC also, and heating system for the winter. And look at the scenery outside the window. एंड समटाइम्स यहाँ पे हमारी क्लासेस भी होती हैं जिस टाइम हमारा लाइक चाइनीज़ की स्टार्ट में हुआ करती थी, अब तो खैर नहीं होती. एंड यहाँ पे हमारी कभी हो कोई हमारी मीटिंग हो स्टूडेंट्स की, और फॉरेनर स्टूडेंट्स की कोई प्रेजेंटेशन हो जस्ट फॉरेनर स्टूडेंट्स की, तो यहाँ पे हुआ करती है. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग. Yeah, these are the things that are at the first floor. Actually here is like 6 floors in this dome, and the things that I'm gonna show you in one floor gonna be same like every floor. My room is at the 5th floor, so I'm gonna show you 5th floor. Okay, so this is my floor. This is the extra room. एंड यहाँ पे इस कमरे में ये लोग कोई कंबल शंबल ब्लैंकेट रखते होते हैं. दिस इज़ मी. ओके, सो here is our badminton ground, and this is the view in front of my hostel. Yeah. Okay, so if we go there, then firstly is what? Okay, so this is my room number 516. Yeah, and here is our laundry. Actually they provide us these machines. You just need to recharge your card, and then you can use it about 6 to 7 times, and it can like wash your clothes and also can dry. So yeah, after that you can hang here. This is a laundry. And if we go further, then this is our kitchen. And firstly ये हमारा डाइनिंग रूम है, where we can sit whenever we want to eat in the kitchen. And this is our actually kitchen. Here's our shelves and also drawers where can we put our stuff, and also almirahs. And yeah, this is our kitchen that they provide us at every floor, so don't be worried, everything at every floor gonna be same. So yeah, this is the end of my hostel, and now I'm gonna show the rooms. So every room gonna be same. So yeah, okay, so this is how the room looks like from outside, and this is the door. You need to use your key and then you can open the door. I mean, if you lock your door by the key, then you have to use your key, but normally like you can open like this. And then firstly they provide us this table and these side tables and these beds, side table again, and these two almirahs. But the other things like these quilts, pillows, the covers, extra things you need to buy by yourself. And they also provide us this study table and chair, these curtains, and yeah. But firstly when you came here they also provide you the quilt, pillows, and also bed sheets and quilt covers, pillow covers. But after that obviously you need to buy by yourself. एंड या एंड जो आपका यहाँ पे हमें एसी और सर्दियों के लिए हमें यहाँ पे हीटिंग सिस्टम भी प्रोवाइड किया हुआ होता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है. एंड दिस इज़ द व्यू आउटसाइड ऑफ द विंडो. दिस इज़ एक्चुअली नॉट माई रूम. आई गोना शो यू माई रूम इन डिटेल. So this is my friend's room, and I'm really thankful to her for letting me show her room. And yeah, it's a little bit small but it's enough for 2 people. एंड जो बाकी स्टफ़ है लाइक जैसे ये फ्रिज हो गया, ये इन्होंने अवन, माइक्रोवेव, ये सारा कुकिंग अप्लाइंसेस बाय किया हुआ है. सो ये आपने यहाँ पे आके ख़ुद ही बाय करना है. एंड हाउ कैन यू बाय एंड विच एप्स एंड विच प्लेसेस आर गुड फॉर बाइंग दिस स्टफ़, बिकॉज कुछ जगहों पे बहुत एक्सपेंसिव पड़ते हैं. एंड ओब्वियसली हम लोग स्टूडेंट तो हमें अपने बजट में रहना होता है. दैट आई गोना टेल यू इन माई अपकमिंग वीडियोज़. और हमें वैसे शू रैक भी देते हैं. इनका शू रैक आई डोंट नो कहाँ पे गया है, कहीं पे इन्होंने सेट किया होगा. इन्होंने ये खुद शू रैक बाय किया हुआ है एंड इसमें इन्होंने शूज़ रखे हुए हैं. एंड दीज आर द साइड टेबल्स जिस पे इन्होंने कुछ अपना स्टफ़ रखा हुआ है डेली यूज़ का. एंड दीज आर द बुक्स, एंड यहाँ पे भी इन्होंने स्टफ़ रखा हुआ है. सो आई थिंक आई शुडंट लाइक, बिकॉज मैं अपने पर्दों के पीछे अपना प्राइवेट चीज़ें रख रही होती हूँ. सो आई थिंक आई शुडंट शो all this stuff. So yeah, this is the full view of the room. This is the washroom. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमारा shower area है, and this is the big mirror, and here is me again, and here's sink, and here's like our commode and stuff like this. I don't want to show like in detail. So this is our washroom. और यहाँ पे आपको 24/7 hours आपको कोल्ड एंड हॉट वाटर की फैसिलिटी मिल रही होगी. सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी, लाइक यू कैन टेक शॉवर एनी टाइम. ओके, सो या दिस इज़ another hostel, but nowadays this is closed because all the students have gone to their countries. So yeah. Okay, so this is all about my hostel and hope you like it. And if you like it, then do share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to like. And it's time to say you bye. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Until that time, take great care. And sorry for my curtain, it's never gonna be okay.